Hi everyone, welcome back again with the second video of Oracle Reapplication Cluster 19c lab setup. So let's check our main points. Let's see what we have done so far. We can see the lab prerequisites. So right now we have clear idea about the requirements and prerequisites should be fulfilled to continue this lab. Now I can see the second step. We will just have an overview about the main components, VirtualBox overview. So I will just show you how we can configure and from where we can configure the network and where we can check our virtual disks. So let me just launch the VirtualBox. We can see here the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. And this is the main window of the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. We can see we have a lot of icons and we have here also a menus in the top. So here I will focus on a couple of components. I will not discuss it in detail, but I need to take and pick the most important component that will help us. Let's say here you can create a new virtual machine. You can also create from here, and you can see also the preferences. You can also pick it from here, and also you can use the shortcut Ctrl G, but for me I will pick it from here. From this menu I will head to network. From network I will add here a network, NAT network. From the NAT network I will just click here to edit the NAT network properties. Let's say I will rename the network name to name it like let's name it public, because I will use NAT as a public like this, and I will change the subnet to something like 10.10.20 over 24. That's it. Here we can also use a port forwarding. Later on I will show you how we can reach the guest or the virtual operating system inside the VirtualBox. Let's say we have SSH service. I need to reach this service. I can do a port forwarding between my local host here, the Pop! OS operating system, and the guest operating system, which is Oracle Linux 8.5. So this one I will show you how we can do it later on, but keep in your mind to understand about this one and keep it know about it. We will use it later on. Yeah, I will hit right now OK. Let's see here if everything is fine. Last see. Okay, let's just click OK. Right now we have a NAT network set up, and we know that the subnet is 10.10.20 as we wish. Okay, or as we need. Yeah. Let me just now I will show you another manager here. We have this manager. It's a media manager. Here you can find everything related about our virtual machines hard disk. You can see here we don't have anything because right now we don't have any virtual operating system, so we cannot see anything here. But later on I will show you once we start add disks and these things. Of course you can also manage the optical disks and floppy disks, and we can also here create, add, exist virtual disk. We can copy, move, remove, and release, search properties. This is the most important things. We can pick any disk and change the properties of this disk as well. Also we can refresh. That's it for the virtual media manager. Let's move to the network host network manager. Here you can create a virtual adapter. This one I will not use it, but it's okay to know about it. Here once you create it, your operating system will create a virtual adapter. You can see it in your network area. You can see it with wireless or with ether. It's depend on how you are connected to the internet, but this will be used as a host only network. That's it for this one, and you can also change here the detail or the properties of this adapter as you wish. I will remove it right now. I will not use it. I will use intra network direct for intra communication between the clusters, the two nodes for clusterware. So I will close this one. That's it for the VirtualBox. So we can say here we're done. the next video will be about the operating system installation. So I will start the installation process on the VirtualBox for the first node. See you there, and thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.